Hi, Christina. This is Cindy Hayden. It's February 24th, and I'm going to give you audio feedback on your capstone section 2 and 3. So, with your section 2, the first paragraph or two should outline what it is you're going to talk about the rest of the section. So, I would begin with that. And then some of this is a duplicate of what you've put in section 1. So, you sort of have to tease out what's in section 1 and what's in section 2. And after you identify what you're going to have in this section, then I would do it in the order you identified it in. So engagement is a good place to start. And then you also talked about satisfaction. So I would put engagement and satisfaction together. And I would probably not sure if I would start with them or not. It's good that you have cognitive presence, social presence, and teaching presence, and you have them in the same order that you had them in section 1, so that's good. So I definitely put maintaining satisfaction and engagement together, whether you put them at the beginning or the end of this section. And I think you do want to talk about maybe best practice in teaching and learning strategies, so you could have teaching and learning strategies together, or you could have separate paragraphs, one for teaching strategies and one for learning strategies. Best practice I would probably put before teaching and learning strategies, and then the conclusion is fine. Once you get a 904, probably we'll combine all the sections and put one reference. I don't know if your references for this section have been added to your first section or not. If not, then add the references here. And then looking at section 3, make it longer here. Okay, so again, in the project design, I would talk in general about the study. You want to say it's quantitative, it's post-course survey design, that's good. You're okay, so I think that's okay. You might want to elaborate on the design here. The setting, you want to mention if they're going to be more than one cohort. For example, do you expect to just do one session with the participants, or will you do multiple sessions from March to, say, October? And then you want to describe your company a little bit. You want to talk about the On24 program and what it does. The criteria for participants will be the last part of here. You want to see, that they have to attend the presentation, they have to take the survey, they have to speak English, all of that. Your recruitment is fine. You might need some rewording about they were told. So at the end of the workshop, you verbally explain to them about the research project. Project methods. This looks fine. And the online platform should be part of the setting. So pull that up and put it under setting. And then you can talk about the data analytics under the project methods, and what I'll go into a little bit more description of what that involves. You may have to talk to somebody else in your company about what all the data analytics can tell you. I'm not sure about ANOVA yet. I want to talk about that a little bit more. And then the ethical considerations are, one is that you are the presenter as well as the researcher, So you're going to have to explain how you can maintain your objectivity, being the presenter as well as the researcher. And we can discuss the timeline in our meeting today. Thanks.